Understanding Blinding Snowstorm, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and vivid phrase, blinding snowstorm. This expression is not just about weather, but it's a powerful example of how English can paint a picture with just a few words. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase together. Blinding snowstorm is a compound noun made up of two words, blinding and snowstorm. Let's look at each part. 1. Blinding. This adjective comes from the verb to blind, which means to temporarily take away sight. In our phrase, it describes something so bright or intense that it makes it difficult to see. 2. Snowstorm. A noun that refers to a weather condition with heavy snowfall, often accompanied by strong winds. When combined, blinding snowstorm describes a snowstorm so intense that it significantly reduces visibility, making it hard to see. Now that we understand what each word means, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. The weather forecast predicts a blinding snowstorm tomorrow, so schools might be closed. 2. Driving through the blinding snowstorm was a real challenge for the travelers. 3. She peered out the window, watching the blinding snowstorm transform the landscape into a white blanket. In each example, the phrase vividly describes a situation where the snowstorm is so severe that it affects visibility and impacts activities. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few. 1. Whiteout. A condition of nearly zero visibility in snow. 2. Snow squall. A sudden, intense snowfall with strong winds. 3. Winter storm. A more general term for any storm occurring in winter, involving snow, ice, or sleet. These terms can be used in similar contexts but might have slightly different meanings or intensities. And that's a wrap on blinding snowstorm. This phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand how English speakers describe extreme weather conditions. We hope this video has shed some light on this vivid expression. Stay tuned for more interesting phrases and happy learning.